Hi guys, hope you all are doing well and keeping safe during the tough time of COVID. Today I'm making this vlog because after a long time I'm going to shop something, and I've taken appointment for the store because like right now it's not inviting a lot of people to the stores, so you have to take an appointment. You must be thinking why I'm wearing these shades, because I'm not keeping well and I wanted to shoot today. So I'll quickly go to the store and do my quick shopping, and once I reach home I'll do a quick review of the product that I'll purchase.
It is the Buchanan Street in the city center, and see how it is looking after the lockdown is over. So much crowded. So here I reached my MK store to do my shopping.
So hi everyone, now I am at home and I'm shooting the next day because yesterday I wasn't keeping well. So let's do a quick review of the bag that I purchased from MK, and it's a big bag, and this is my first review. I'll open it in front of you and show you how the bag is. So first of all, we have the branding of Michael Kors on the packing also, which is really nice. So let me open this, and dun, dun, this is the bag. I love it. So let me show you properly. This is the front look of the bag. We have the branding on the top here, then we have a lock size. This is just for just to give it a fancy look. It's of no use, and the branding is there on this lock also, and I like this print a lot personally. So we will quickly go inside and see how many sections we have, how much space is there, and we will also try to put different stuff inside the bag to see how much stuff it can carry. So we can see there is one chain section and two open sections inside the bag. So we have the branding on the chain also, which it's usually there. So I will open the chain section first, and you can see, so there's hell lot of space and you can put anything you want inside the bag, even an elephant. It's so big. That was a joke and a bad one. So this was the chain section. Then the other two sections that we have, they're also very spacious, 1 and 2. So inside the bag we have this belt available. So what is this for? We can change the look of the bag from a handbag to a sling bag. So let's try doing that. And it's done. So now we have this sling look. You can carry it like this if you want, but personally I don't like it. I like to carry handbags like this, so I don't think this is going to be useful for me. So that was about this satchel bag. So I think it was a good purchase and I completely love it. and in the end I will tell you the price also, how much I paid for this, and there was no discount. So I'll tell you the price, but before that let's move on to the wallet which I purchased. So the packing is actually so nice that I don't feel like opening it, but okay, I have to do it. So this is the small wallet that I purchased. I keep small wallets. I like these one only, and I'll open it. Again, there is branding on the chain, which as I said, it's usually there. So yeah, and inside it we have the tags, some description about the wallet, so not of use, then the price tag, then there is a chain in the middle where you can again keep some coins. You can put some coins, you can put your cards here, you can put some cash here. So it's a very cute bag. I love it. I love the color and I love the size, and it's so as I said, inside the bag let's try to put different stuff and see how much stuff we can carry. So we will start with the wallet. In the side section, first section, then laptop, because as I said we can carry this bag to office, so we should be able to put the laptop inside it. Laptop done. Charger of the laptop, then a makeup pouch, because even if you go outside you need some makeup stuff also. This is big for the bag but still it can accommodate. And then some small stuff like some pens that I can put in the side section, of course. And I think I still have a lot of space inside it. Let me show you. I can put some more stuff. So I showed you. So good to go. So if you see, I already have a laptop charger, then a big makeup pouch, and pens, and a wallet inside it, which means it can carry a lot of stuff, and weight wise also it's good. So but try to put don't put like heavyweight stuff inside the bags, because at the end it will spoil the shape of the bag and maybe affect the leather also, so don't do that. But so now here we come to the ending section of the video, where I'll tell you the price, how much I paid for both the things. So here is the wallet. This is for 74 pounds, which means almost 7,500 rupees, 7,500. 1 pound is almost equal to 100 rupees, but currently it's 102. So 74 pounds I paid for this, which means 7,400. And this bag I paid 350 pounds, which means 35,700, which I calculated. So 350 pounds and 74 pounds, but it's almost like 35,000 and 7,500. So these two purchases I made and I totally love them. So for now, signing off, Himanshi, and I hope you liked my bag, because I love my bag. Thank you for watching my video. Bye and have a good day. Stay safe.